the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the handheld camera that's rumored to push boundaries like never before. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll be counting down the days until you can get your hands on one. We're talking game-changing features, shocking specs, and why this could be the ultimate tool for creators in 2026. Let's jump right in and explore what the whispers in the tech world are saying. First off, let's set the stage. DJI has been dominating the portable camera scene with their Osmo Pocket series. Remember the original Osmo Pocket back in 2018? It was this tiny, gimbal-stabilized camera that fit in your pocket and shot smooth 4K video. It was revolutionary. No more shaky footage from your phone. Then came the Pocket 2 in 2020, bumping up the sensor size, adding modular accessories, and making it even more versatile for social media creators. And who could forget the Pocket 3 in 2023? That one took things to another level with a 1-inch sensor for incredible low-light performance, 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery slow-mo, and that rotating screen that made vlogging a breeze. But now, as we wrap up 2025, the leaks are pointing to something bigger. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a split in the family tree that's got everyone buzzing. Imagine if DJI decided to cater to both everyday adventurers and pro filmmakers with two distinct models. That's exactly what the rumors suggest. Picture this. You're scrolling through tech forums late at night, and suddenly, images pop up from a secret shoot in Barcelona. These aren't official press photos. They're gritty, real-world prototypes being tested alongside the Pocket 3. The leakers are calling it the biggest reveal yet, and for good reason. From what we've pieced together from FCC filings, insider tips, and those sneaky prototype shots, DJI is prepping not one, but two versions of the Pocket 4. A standard model for the masses and a pro variant for those who demand the absolute best. Why split it? Because not everyone needs over-the-top features. But for those who do, it's going to be worth the wait. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the standard version, and I'll explain why each detail could make or break your next video project. The standard Osmo Pocket 4 sounds like the perfect evolution of what we love about the series. At its heart is an upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor. But get this, it's rumored to pack around 50 million pixels. That's a massive jump in resolution, meaning sharper stills and more detail in your videos. We're talking 6K recording capabilities, which is insane for something this small. Imagine filming your next travel vlog in stunning 6K. The kind of footage that pops on a big screen or when you crop in for that perfect Instagram reel. And for action-packed moments, 4K at 120 frames per second for advanced slow motion that captures every drop of water in a splash or every leaf in the wind. It's not just about the numbers. It's about how this lets you tell stories with cinematic flair without lugging around heavy gear. But DJI isn't stopping at video quality. The stabilization is said to be improved, building on their already legendary gimbal tech. Think Rocksteady 3.0 on steroids, smoother walks, steadier pans, even in bumpy rides. Battery life. Rumors point to a 20% larger capacity than the Pocket 3, which means longer shooting sessions without that dreaded low battery anxiety. We're looking at around 1,545 mAh at 7.74 volts, charged via USB-C, and connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 MIMO for faster transfers to your phone or laptop. No more waiting ages to edit on the go. It supports 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles too, giving color graders more flexibility for that professional look. Design-wise, it's slimmer with a single sensor module, dual buttons below the display for quick controls, and a weight of about 190 grams. It's pocketable perfection, but with pro-level guts. Now, here's where things get really exciting: the Pro variant. If the standard is the reliable workhorse, the Pro is the beast mode unlocked. The big leak here is the dual lens setup. Yeah, you heard that right. A primary wide-angle lens with that 1-inch sensor, paired with a secondary telephoto lens, possibly a 1/1.3 inch or even a square format for creative shots. This means true optical zoom, 2x to 4x without losing quality. No more digital cropping that softens your image. Switch seamlessly between wide and telephoto for dynamic storytelling. Like zooming in on a subject's face during an interview without moving a muscle. Video specs mirror the standard with 6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. But the optical zoom adds a layer of versatility that's been missing from the series. The Pro's design reflects its power. A heavier gimbal head, larger camera module, and a single button layout below the display. It's bulkier? Sure. But for pros, that's a trade-off for features like improved subject tracking, wider framing options, and maybe even advanced modes for low light or high-speed action. Leaked